you?
Hello, I'm Johor Guys.
I'm City Kelly.
Over 1,500
Welcome
jumps. Welcome home. Smile. Tunko. Guys, any moment now, they'll be doing the bumpers. People in the Padang, Marina Bay, if you can see them, stand by your cameras, wait for it, and there we go!
And they're currently descending at a speed of 191 kilometers per hour. Wow, can you imagine how fast that is?
Anybody, everybody, scream!
They're coming!
First up, we have Master Warrant Officer Churen Li with 1,085 jumps to 3 meters. Coming in hot, we have First Warrant Officer Chan with 942 jumps. Singapore, you know what you gotta do. Let's go.
Next up, we have Second Warrant Officer Tian Yong with 533 jumps. Get ready, and let's go! Keep it going, Padang, and people at the Bay, keep screaming, cheering for them! And next up, we have Second Warrant Officer Billy Lin with 594 jumps. Get ready, here we go! Following quite closely after Second Warrant Officer Chua Seng Boon with 980 jumps. Let's get ready to welcome him home in 3, 2, 1. And up next, please give it up for her, Second Warrant Officer Sandy Wong with 700 jumps. Are you ready to welcome her home, Singapore? Let's go in 3, 2, 1.
And we call it Booyah! It's really simple. The moment you see the last naval diver enter the bay, all of us at the Padang and Marina Bay, we say Booyah! Can we rehearse it 2 times? Okay, 2 times. People at the Padang, let's hear you. 1, 2, 3. Booyah! Alright, we can go louder. People at Marina Bay, join in because they'll be landing right in front of you. 1, 2, 3. Booyah!
Are you ready?
That's the first diver in.
Here they go!
Three, two, one.
And all 7 naval divers have landed safely. Please give them a rousing round of applause.
But hip hop.
Look up to the skies. The F-15 SG Eagles will cross each other and execute a led by Captain Stephen Chen. The Republic of Singapore Air Force contingent, led by military expert 4, Tunko. The Singapore Police Force contingent, led by Deputy Superintendent of Police Xiao Chen. The Republic of Singapore Navy contingent, led by military expert 4, Civil Defense. commitment to move forward as one nation, one people, one Singapore. Come on, Singapore! Let's wave our flag.
这个我不懂。
Representing the Prime Minister of Malaysia, Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim.
第一次哎，阿花长相了没？
Let's welcome His Royal Highness Ismail, Regent of Johor, and Her Highness Tuan Mahkota Khalifah.
我懂，他是那个王子啊，他欧那个 Johor football team 的。哇，他的老婆美耶，他毕竟有钱啊，来。
Let's welcome His Excellency Prabowo Subianto, President of the Republic of Indonesia.
Indonesia. 这是菲律宾吗？这是。
Let's welcome.
And we have with us His Majesty Sultan Hassan Al Bolkiah, who is Sultan of Brunei Darussalam.
Horas, hormat Perdana Menteri. Hormat. Senja. Stop.
Saya pesen dengan Korea. Saya 还要坐哪里？哪里有中间位置？啊，really？ 哇，哎，这个它有那个 king 的 feel 是吗？
Horas, hormat Presiden. Hormat. Senja.
我这，你看，这里看，这里看。 它从后面在发亮的。这个声音还是特别爽啊。
There'll be others.
Ngomong aja kalau sedang ustaz.
Kalau menampi, jangan tumpang batin.
Apa-apa pun, Bapak boleh repair. Ladies and gentlemen, please hold up your placards and sing along.